Want to play with fizzy watercolors? Let's find out what's happening. Chemical reactions occur when different substances are combined to produce new substances. Baking soda is a base as well as a solid. Vinegar is an acid and a liquid. When combined, a new substance is created. What do you think will happen? Let's add some color and find out. Did you notice the bubbles? What did you see? What did you hear? The vinegar started to fizz and bubble when placed on the paper. When we combined the reactants, baking soda and vinegar, a chemical reaction occurred and a new substance was produced. The bubbles we noticed earlier is carbon dioxide gas forming. What will happen when we put a different color on the paper? Do you see the colors mixing? Art engages your child's senses in open-ended play and develops cognitive, social, and emotional skills. Engage your child by asking different questions and making astute observations.